In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block and unblock a sender in Outlook. Whether you're trying to manage your inbox for more peace of mind or just looking to streamline the daily influx of emails, these simple steps will help you take control. Let's dive into the two ways you can accomplish this in the new Outlook interface. First, we'll explore how you can block or unblock a sender directly from your inbox. Begin by navigating to your inbox and identifying the email from the sender you wish to block. Once you've found the email you're looking for, perform a right click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. What you're looking for next is the block option, which is your gateway to managing your email interactions more effectively. Hover your mouse down the list of options until you spot it. Now that you've found it, you're at a crucial point. If your intention is to block the sender, simply select Block Sender. This will ensure that future emails from the sender are redirected away from your inbox. However, if you're aiming to unblock the sender instead, you should look for and select Never Block Sender. This action will allow emails from the source to flow into your inbox as usual, reversing any previous blocks you had placed on them. Let's move on to the second method, which can be just as effective, especially if you need a more comprehensive list of block senders. In the upper right corner of your Outlook interface, you'll find the settings icon. Go ahead and click on this. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the mail options and navigate towards the junk email section. It's here in the senders section where you can manage all your blocked or unblocked contacts. This part of Outlook allows you to see anyone you have previously blocked and gives you the option to make changes. If you're looking to block a new sender or unblock someone on this list, simply select their email address and make the appropriate change. Remember, once you've made your adjustments, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure that all your preferences are updated and applied moving forward. By following these two straightforward methods, you have the power to clean up your inbox and keep unwanted emails at bay. It's all about finding what works best for you and making the Outlook experience as seamless and efficient as possible. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any other questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Stay organized and have a great day ahead.